departed from the Bean family vacation.
Did you?
But we are trying to figure out where we're going to go now. So at the moment we are in Kissimmee, Florida. Kissimmee, Florida. And we would definitely want to head back towards Texas. It's about a 16-hour drive from where we're at right now. Where do you want to stay the night?
You want to stay the night on the beach.
That would be ideal.
So we're going to try and find that. But probably somewhere between Panama City and Destin is an ideal place, because that would leave us about a 9-hour drive home after that.
That's not ideal, but I'll take it.
Well, what is ideal?
2-hour drive?
Nothing out there could ever stop me.
Well, we're going somewhere between Panama City and Destin to try to find a place to sleep for the night. Rather than just going down I-10 all the way to, I guess, Tallahassee, and then cutting down to Panama City, we decided to take the little coastal route. So, this right here. And it's been a nice drive so far. Beautiful countryside, lots of farms and moo cows.
From chasing after the way you love me, keeping me up 2 cups of coffee. Baby, you make me feel so lovely. I keep on running, no, I should've wanted I keep on pulling right into your thought, I can't get you off my mind. So sweet, yeah, I need it from you. Got my hands all on you, sweet. Everything I wanted, sugar like yes, please. Love is like candy, sweet. Yeah, I need it from you.
Nicole and I were just discussing what our plans are for this evening. We don't have a place to stay.
We're winging it.
We're fixing our own dinner. We're not going to go to dinner somewhere. We're going to fix our own breakfast. So, you know as well as we do that open up the door in this Walmart parking lot's not ideal. So
We're looking for beach views, essentially. So we're going to try and find that tonight, hopefully.
we're heading into town. Probably poke out somewhere and see a sunset. Make dinner, and then try to find a place to park for the night. This makes me nervous. I'm not the type of person to just be like, this is where we're gonna sleep tonight.
Brad's very much a planner. He has to know exactly where we're gonna stay, how long we're gonna stay, vet it, make sure that it's safe, so on and so forth. So for him, just pulling up to a spot and just parking for the night is not his thing. But we're gonna see what happens tonight.
We're gonna cruise down through here and see if there's any kind of permits or signs saying that we can't park overnight. I do see 1 or 2 vans down the stretch, so we'll kind of follow their lead and see what they get into. But yeah, this ain't bad. This ain't bad at all. Twinkies.
You're so needy.
All right, so first meal in the van.
Meal in the van.
What do we have?
I have a pesto gnocchi with bacon, per Brad's request, and sun-dried tomatoes.
Grazie mille.
Prego.
What was your first thoughts on dinner?
Bacon is delicious. True.
At some point, we'll have certain things that we just keep in the...
The spices haven't made it to the van yet.
Right.
I'm happy with it. After a delicious dinner, we set off to find somewhere to sleep since this spot did not work out. We set our hearts on finding an access point for Daisy to play on the beach. This spot located in Panama City Beach was perfect as there are limited spots along the Emerald Coast that are dog-friendly beaches.
Unfortunately, there weren't any spots available along the beachfront, and permits seemed to be required for the parking spaces, although we're not sure. So, in the end, we opted for Old Faithful, the Walmart parking lot. The next morning, I got to get up and take Daisy to the beach while Nicole slept in. Go! Go get the water. Let's go. Come.
Good morning. We are still in Florida at Grayton Beach, and it's a state park here, so we're just gonna take a little trail walk through the dunes and then down to the beach. Walking on the boardwalk. Looks like it's high tide today, but look at that water. Blue water. Gorgeous. Let's go stick our feet in it. Yeah. Woo. Yes.
Yeah.
How the sugar feels like in the bag.
Yeah.
That's how the sand feels.
Between your toes?
Yeah.
I wonder how it tastes.
Probably not good.
You sure? You want to try it?
Probably not how it's like powdered sugar.
Mm-hmm. What do you think? You think it tastes like powdered sugar? Let's go get her some water.
Nothing out there could ever stop me from chasing after the way you love me, keeping me up 2 cups of coffee. Baby, you make me feel so lovely.
It's been a very long road trip home. We ran into traffic in Louisiana that put us back about an hour and a half, and so we probably won't get home until almost midnight. So we realize that there's quite a bit of things that we didn't like about what we have set up in the van, and we know that there's opportunities to still make changes.
But that was the point of this trip. I mean, outside of getting to see family and just hang out for a couple of days, you know, there's a handful of things that we definitely need to change. A couple of things that need to be fixed now. But make sure you come back next week.
Yeah, we'll kind of go over some of the things that we put in place, even though we knew some of it was temporary, and why it didn't work out for us, and how we plan to change it. So stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.